Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to channel shout out. So it's Monday. I'm doing a special shout out today for LaDelle. He owns and operates Cascade Heavy Rescue right down in Bend, Oregon. He actually owns he has a towing company, and he goes out with his he has a jack truck. You'd have to see it. I can't. It's basically a semi with a tow rig on the back. It's pretty impressive, but he's got a really good channel. I've been watching his videos for quite a while now, so I'd throw him in here. His channel is like way bigger than mine, but you know, still it's a channel I'm watching, so it's something that you're interested in. Feel free to head on over, give him a look. I found his channel during the winter time because he had a Jeep Cherokee and he put tracks on it, and he was out there pulling people out who was stuck in the snow. That's kind of how I found his channel. So it was in the recommended feed, and I'm like, ooh, and he just lives south of me, so seems like a pretty cool guy. So all his information will be down in the description, video link and everything else. So again, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. There'll be a whole playlist with all the other shout outs. Hopefully I'm not missing anybody, but I wanted to do a shout out for him. I got a few others I need to do as well, so I'm about to get some names written out. And as always, of course I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, and also our first responders out there saving lives every day. 22 a day no more. I do thank you for watching. Have a good one. Try to stay warm out there. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.